Alright y'all, so I'm starting off with my Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizer. This is just a moisturizer I typically do use every single day, and it's not too heavy. It helps control the oils and make the makeup go on nice and smooth. Now I'm using my henrikisen Banana Bright Eye Cream. This is a really good eye cream if you feel like you want a lot of brightness underneath your eye, or you feel like you haven't got a good amount of sleep. This is super nice because it does have that banana pigment, so it'll naturally make underneath the eye area a lot brighter and like more hydrated and glowy looking. And don't mind my application, it's like so hard to apply eye cream with these long nails, so mama's gotta do what mama's gotta do. And now I'm gonna go in with the Tatcha Kiss You lip mask, I believe. And now we're going to go in with that first eyeshadow shade, and this is just a neutral brown color that I'm going to apply in my crease. Keep in mind I did put concealer on my eyelids, and I did set my eyelids with translucent powder. Now I'm going in with like this really almost like, I guess you could say a neutral tone, brighter orange, and I'm just going to put that all over my eyelid, and this is going to be like the center of the show. This is going to make my eyelids look awakened. Now I'm taking a liner brush and I'm just going to go in with a black eyeshadow. I believe I did dampen the brush just a little bit so I don't get a lot of fallout, and I'm just going to create a wing. This step right here I do love for those days that I don't want too much makeup. What the heck? That I don't want too much of makeup but I still want to look glam. I like to go in with a black shadow, or you could do brown too, but I did still want a little bit of pop, so I did black, and I just took a angled brush and a little of the eye cream to just sharpen up that wing. Now I'm going to go in with the Pat McGrath Labs mascara, and I'm going to get ready to coat my lashes for falsies, but if you like you can just keep it like this. So I did use my Too Faced Hangover primer and my Fenty foundation, and now I'm going to go in and highlight underneath my eye using the Juvias concealer. And just for my go-to days, I do always like to have a really nice concealed under eye, a nice amount of coverage, and the Juvias concealer is actually really nice for that. So now I just baked underneath my eye with the Huda Beauty translucent powder, and I'm going to go in with some bronzer, and we are just going to warm up the skin because hunty, we need some warmth. And the bronzer I did use was the Mented bronzer, and I'm just going to go in and bronze up my skin. Going back in with that Huda Beauty setting powder, I'm just going to bake the sides of my nose and down the bridge of my nose. And we're going to get some baking going on. And we're going to bake the cheeks. So cut out that cheek and bake it up. Now I'm going to go in with my brown liner, and I'm just going to align my waterline just to give it a little bit of a smoky effect, but the brown color is going to still keep everything nice and soft. So I love to just do a brown liner and then smudge it out when I want a subtle smoky effect, nothing too dramatic. And I'm just taking a smudge brush and I'm just going to smudge it out. And now I'm applying some blush to my cheekbones just to give me a kiss of color and add some color back to this face. I'm going to do the Fenty Beauty Cognac Candy, I believe, illuminator, just to give a little bit of a glow to my face. And we're going to do our nose, all the high points of our face basically. We're going to go in with that Cognac Candy, and I'm just going to go on top of it just a little bit with the Nars Orgasm illuminating powder. And it just gives a really nice subtle glow to the skin. I love this blush. It's really like a blush or illuminator. You could kind of use it for whichever one depending on your skin tone. For me, it's more of an illuminator. So I love it. And I'm like, what the heck? Why not put a little bit on the nose? We really want her to be glowing and shining out there. Now I'm just going to go in with that Fenty Beauty Uncuffed lipstick. lipstick, the liquid lipstick, and I'm going to apply that to my lips, and I'm going to blend it in with a lip brush, of course. And I did align my lips with a brown lip liner, just so it's like blended and not too much. So give you kind of like that ombre vibe. I always do like a signature ombre with some sort of brown and pinky or peachy lip. That is like my signature lip color. And of course, I'm going to use my Maybelline Lifter gloss. This is like my favorite gloss. This is the color Stone. I just love how it makes your lips look so juicy and pouty and sexy. I love, love, love this gloss. If you haven't tried it, you need to get it. And of course, we are going to spray our face with some setting spray. And yeah, guys, this is it. This is the finished look. It kind of got in my eye, so don't mind my face. But yeah, this is the finished look, you guys. I hope you will like it and enjoy.
High fashion, like Goya, G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you.